And the IFTA goes to James Flynn and Nathalie Lichtenthaeler for As If I Am Not There.
Thank you very much, everyone. We're really flattered and delighted. We're absolutely amazed and very grateful to the Academy. I'd like to thank Simon Perry in particular for the last 5 years that he's given us and for picking up this book 5 years ago and believing in this film, which was a real challenge to get made. I want to thank Juanita for being a producer's nightmare and dream, and for just being fantastic to work with, and also for making this film happen. I want to thank my co-producer Nathalie, and I also want to thank the people in the coalface, my rock, Karen Richards, my team in Octagon, Ronan Flynn, Aaron Farrell, Louise Kern, our post-supervisor. There's a whole range of people in the background who helped make this film happen. Thank you so much.
And I'd just like to thank my husband, David, for his support throughout the making of this film, and our 4 wonderful children, Liam, Aveen, Sean, and Gemma. Thank you.